the baby boomers are going to be moving out of their homes.
Yeah.
And I met with the city of Carmel, Mayor of Carmel, a couple months ago, and it's a big issue, like top of mind for housing. You know, it's a pretty affluent suburb, but their big issue is we've got all of these baby boomers living in these 4-bedroom houses. But there's only one or two of them. Like they need, they need to unlock all this housing supply. And in their mind, they're like, we need to build stuff that they can go in to live in now. They don't want to go to an assisted living facility.
And they are not going to vote. Those baby boomers that are living in their houses are not voting for apartments.
And a lot of it's just a reaction to change that's happened over the last decade.
Yeah.
A lot of apartments have been built, and they're looking around. They're like, I don't want any more of these.
Yeah.
It's the roads.
Well,
are a little easier.
and you know, you can sympathize with that. If you had a nice view and now you're looking at that apartment and now you're thinking, oh man, the traffic and there's a lot of assumptions that people have with the apartments coming up that never pan out quite as negative as people think. But yeah, you're right. It's change. And that's tough to deal with. I think that being in this business has let me, like, I have to swallow some hard truths. And the first hard truth is, if that ever happens to me, I can't complain. I'm not allowed to complain. If the apartment comes in next door, I will hold my tongue and I will chastise myself for even feeling bad. But the second is like realizing, no, that is a valid concern for people that don't want it. You have to work in through proper channels. But that second part, man, that's where I get really frustrated because the abstract housing needs are greater than the specific need of someone that doesn't want to see apartments in their backyard.
Yeah.
I don't think that it is a bad thing to be building more housing now. If we end up with...
We obviously need it.
Yeah, we need it. If we end up with a lot more housing than we need, then the affordability crisis is...
Yeah, the word...
solved.
Yeah, that's the thing. So from our, like, talking our book, like, we're investing in housing, we're investing in apartments. The best thing for us would for no one to build any more housing ever again because you have limited supply and the prices of it all go up and the rents go up. That's not what we want though. We want a balanced market. We want some, steady growth over time, finding areas that need more investment into housing, invest in those markets, take advantage of the inefficiencies. But like it would be if we built way too much housing, which like we're proponents of, let's build a lot more housing. We need to build more housing. We're investing into housing. That would lower the price of housing.
Yeah.